Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox this headset stand from FANTECH. So to be honest, I never heard of this FANTECH brand before. Until recently, I saw it at the popular bookstore. So they have other products too. So if you are interested, you can check it out at popular bookstore if you are from Malaysia, of course. Then without further ado, let's unbox this real quick. So let's take a look at the packaging first. So basically, this is the shape, the upper of the stand itself. So it has this 88 gram, if I'm not mistaken, built-in counterweight. So basically, it's inside the base. So it has this rubber base. So it has better grip, of course. So let's take a look at the sides. Nothing. Just a tower AC3001 headset stands. So it comes with two colors. So I chose the black color one because of course I prefer the black color. Then another one is the stand itself is red color, but the base still in black. All right, let's crack it open. Let me check. So, oh, there's a seal here. Okay. Let me take it off real quick. Right. So, okay. So only two pieces: the stands and the base. User manual, as usual. I don't need it. Okay, let's put this box aside. So this is a very quick video, of course, today. So it's a very simple stand. So you just put it in here and twist. You will hear a click sound. Is this all in? No, not yet. I think I need more force. Okay, it's all in. So so this is the stand. It has this the plastic feels good. No, it doesn't feel cheap. The form factor is nice, a good quality plastic feel to it. So this is the base, so it has some weight to it too. All right, I don't have a headset with me now, so I'll try it with a eye massager. So okay, let me get a better angle here. All right, so it's nice and firm. All right, FANTECH. Okay, so that's all for today. Unboxing video. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ciao.